We have seen Dogenus state, but जो Dogenus state था वो केवल कुछ ही एलिमेंट्स तक ही सीमित था. That's why वो जो है applicable नहीं हुआ. उन्होंने दिया था, but it is not applicable for all the elements. So after that, in 1865, German chemist John Alexander Octavius, Alexander Newlands, John Alexander Newlands have given one law in 1865. So they have arranged the element according to their increasing atomic masses. इन्होंने जो किया था, एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज करा था इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक मासेस, एंड दे हैव गिवन कि उन्होंने एलिमेंट्स को इस टाइप से अरेंज करा था कि जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है इट विल शो द सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज टू एट वन. लाइक हिंदी म्यूजिक की बात करें तो हिंदी म्यूजिक में जो है हमारे पास 4 लेटर्स होते हैं, 7 लेटर्स होते हैं, सारे गामा पधा निशा. सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट is similar to 8-1. Means first element always showing the similar properties toward the 8-1. Because ये जो scientists थे, they are very they are very fond of Hindi music. So they have arranged the element according to their Hindi musical alphabet. सारे गामा पधा निशा. So they have arranged elements according to their increasing atomic masses. So that time Nobel gas were not discovered. So first they have arranged the element like lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, then again sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, then potassium, calcium. Like that fully table is given. That time means more elements in their periodic table. In their also discovered means they know the 63 elements. They have different elements also arranged in these tables. But this law is applicable up to calcium. This law is applicable up to calcium because other elements will not show similar properties towards their group members. So here is lithium is the first member of this period or law is showing the similar properties of sodium one, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Suppose you are taking the first element, this one, this is showing similar properties towards the magnesium. Magnesium you are taking the first one, it will be showing the similar properties towards the calciums. So they are showing the similar properties. हर एक एलिमेंट जो है periodic table का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट जो भी ऐसे आप फर्स्ट ले रहे हो, always showing the similar properties to the eighth one. जो eighth एलिमेंट है उसके similar properties शो करेगा. This law is given by Newlands. That's why it is known as Newlands law or law of Octavius. Octavius means first element showing similar properties of the table to eighth one. That's why it is known as law of Octavius. Then these scientists are very fond of Hindi music. That's why they arrange the element according to Hindi music. Saregam Padanisa. Then that time only 63 elements were known. Then these some drawbacks of Newlands Octavius कि उस समय जो थे they are thinking Sir John Alexander Newlands are thinking कि I have discovered 63 elements. Further, no element will discover in future, but बावजूद उसके elements also discovered. So वो drawbacks था. Then after that जो next scientist थे वो थे आपके पास और Lothar Meyer. Lothar Meyer is the third scientist which are arranged the element according to their atomic volume. Volume के बेस में elements को arrange करा था. The third one, Lothar Meyer arrangement. This is the other scientist, German scientist. In 1869, they have given one relationship between atomic mass and volumes. So, उनके according definition में था कि atomic volume of the element are periodic function of their atomic masses. Atomic volume, Lothar Meyer के according atomic volume is periodic function of their atomic atomic volume of the element are periodic function of their atomic masses. This law is given by Lothar-Meyer arrange. So they have arranged the element according to the physical properties of the element, like atomic volume, melting point, boiling point. They have arranged the elements, and they have given the graph. They have plotted the graph between atomic mass and volume of the element. So when they plot the graph between atomic volume and atomic masses, they have seen in the graph, according to graph, they have find out that कि जो elements ग्राफ में पीक पर है, चोटी पर जो है वो अल्कली मेटल्स है, एंड मिडिल में उन्होंने फाइंड आउट किया कि जो मिडिल पार्ट है ग्राफ का उस पर हेलोजन एलिमेंट्स है, और नीचे बेस में जो है उन्होंने अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल को रखा. सो दे आर सेइंग कि लाइक लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, cesium, etc. are present at the peak. At the peak of the graph. At the peak of the graph, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine are present in the middle of the graph. Middle of the graph. And like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, etc. are present in the decreasing order. Decreasing order of the graph. So they have find out in this way. इसीलिए उन्होंने एक लॉ दिया था कि जो एटॉमिक वॉल्यूम है एलिमेंट्स का वो पीरियोडिक फंक्शन होता है ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक मासेस. सो दे हैव अरेंज्ड द एलिमेंट. लोथर-मेयर in 1869, German chemists have given law on the basis of their physical properties like atomic mass, melting point, boiling point. So when they have find out the relationship, they have plotted the graph between atomic mass and volume between the elements. So they have find out the different types of suggestion they have given here कि जो peak होता है, peak पर alkali metals होती है, then मिडिल में आपके पास हेलोजन एटम्स होते हैं, बॉटम में आपके पास अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल होती है. वी डिस्कस लेटर कि अल्कली मेटल्स होती क्या है, हेलोजन एटम्स क्या होते हैं, देन अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स होती क्या, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स, वी डिस्कस लेटर. आफ्टर दैट दे हैव गिवन दिस लॉ. देन द नेक्स्ट वन Mendeleev's will come. Then they have given the another law. से बोला जाता है Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. This is the scientist who given the more effort on the periodic table, but they have also arranged the element. This person Lothar-Meyer also arranged the element according to their atomic masses, and the Mendeleev also arranged the element according to their atomic masses. They arranged the element on the basis of their atomic masses. Means first जितने भी साइंटिस्ट थे, जितने भी साइंटिस्ट आए उन्होंने एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज करा on the basis of their atomic masses, and they are keeping the elements. Is lower elements means lighter elements will take first place, then after that heavier elements. They have arranged like that elements, and some are showing the similar properties. They are keeping on the one slot or one group. So next one is Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law means the elements are arranged on the basis of their atomic masses. So one law जो important law है, like this is the Lothar-Meyer law. Means Lothar-Meyer law means atomic volume of the elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Same it is. Mendeleev ने भी एक लॉ दिया है, वो था आपके पास कि atomic mass of the element are periodic elements are the periodic function. Physical or chemical properties of the element are periodic function of their atomic masses. उन्होंने लॉ दिया था कि जो फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज है आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द एलिमेंट आर periodic function of their atomic masses. वो था हमारे पास Mendeleev periodic law. Just I discuss here.